How to use PancakeSwap with MetaMask. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can use PancakeSwap with MetaMask. So if you are wondering how to do so, ensure you watch this video to the end so that you would not miss any important information. So the first step, of course, is to launch your MetaMask account, as you can see here. So after launching it, go to the top part of the screen where you can see new tab, your web browser, and then type out PancakeSwap. All right, because you would have to visit PancakeSwap in order to use it together with your MetaMask. So click on the search box and then type out PancakeSwap, and then click enter. And as you can see it here, select it so that you can go, so it can be taken or redirected to the home page. So after selecting it and you're on the home page, the next step is to move to the top right corner and then click on connect wallet. Now yours might not be connect wallet, yours could be launch app. All right, whichever one. Once you click on launch app, you'll be taken to another page where you can now click on connect wallet. But since connect wallet is already here, just click on connect wallet and then a window will be displayed on the middle of the screen. So here directly, just go ahead and select MetaMask, since that is what we need. Then after selecting MetaMask, by the right side of the screen here, the top right side of the screen, you will see a short window being displayed for the MetaMask. Now the reason you cannot see it is because of some policies that PancakeSwap has, and it would not want to share private information about your MetaMask wallet. So that is why my wallet is not being displayed. But after clicking on MetaMask, by the right side of the screen, a window will be displayed here, showcasing the MetaMask. Once it has been displayed, you'll then be asked to select the account that you'd like to connect with Pancake. Select it and click on next, click on confirm, and then just like that, your Pancake and your MetaMask would be connected. As you can see here, this is my MetaMask account details here. So that is it. So simple. And then from here, you can now make use of your you can now begin to swap tokens directly on PancakeSwap directly.